Hello guys. Previously we've learned on setting up code blocks. We've learned on commenting on variables and data types. In this class, we are going to learn about constants and what is a constant. In our case in programming, a constant will be a variable that cannot be overwritten. It is unchangeable and let's say read only. It cannot be changed. For example, if we have pi. Okay, let me write something down. If we have pi is always and will always be 3.1426, and it can never change. That is pi. Minutes in an hour. Minutes in hour. This will always be 60 and it cannot be changed. So things like this you can decide, let them be constant. They cannot be overwritten. Therefore, how do we do this? We use the constant, the keyword const. Let's do an example. Let me comment out this too. And have a basic syntax. So called morning. stdio.h, the main function int main. It's a function, therefore we have that brackets return 0. I always do this first so that I don't forget anything that is required. Let's have let's define the pi, which will use the const keyword, and then it's a float, the data type, and then we assign it the value, which is 3.14. And definitely we have the variable name. It is good practice to use capital letters, caps, when you're using const. Let's define another const. Let's say int days of a week. Days of week. And that's definitely 7. In where I come from, in my country. Okay, so let's try to let's print this out. Printf ends with a semicolon, and we have pi. We want to output pi. It's a float, therefore float, the format specifier is %f. Let's put a 0.2. And we have pi. Let me use a new line. I think that's okay. And let's go to the next one. Copy, paste this faster. And we have days of the week. Days of the week. And then it's %d, the format specifier for the integer. And we have a variable name, which is day of the week. I think that's right. Let me run this and let's see what we have. So 3.147, that is right. Let's say we are looking to, let's add a variable without the const. Let's say our variable is integer a, and we assign it the value 4. And let's print that out, which is a, which is the format specifier is %d, a new line, and then we have a. Let's print that out. And then we have 4. Let's try to overwrite all of them. Let's say a, let it be equal to 200. And let's say pi, let's do that one first. Let's run. our a is equals to 200, so it has been overwritten. Let's try to overwrite pi and say pi is equals to, in another world, okay, let's see the value of pi. It gives us an error because pi, we declared it as a constant. Okay guys, that is all for constants.